more profit, no investment required. How does that work? I got that reminder yesterday because we're doing some reorganization on one of the companies that we own, which is a CNC business. And there we have, since a while ago, we do have software packages, we upgraded computers, but before the changes today, we really never got around to fully deploy it. And that's the point. It's like we had spent all that money, so it doesn't require any further investment, but we didn't utilize it fully. And that hit us yesterday right in the face. So now we're making more profit on one of the parts, and I'm sure there will be more and more parts to follow, because we did a simple switch and we brought the employees back and started using the stuff that we already have. Because there's always, especially in engineering business, there's always this talking about we need new machines, we need faster machines because they can do deeper cuts, they can cut faster, yada yada yada. You name it, there's always the thing for it. But very often, with either very small investments or no investments, you can increase your profits on what you have already. And that's something I wanted to emphasize today on the blog, because it happened to me and I'm an operational expert. So it might happen to you as well. Is sometimes you just grow blind because things are done in a certain way and you get away with it. It's okay. Customers are willing to pay the price you are quoting. But how much work might we have missed because we didn't fully utilize that, where we were a little bit too expensive on the quote because we didn't use the software that we had and the capabilities that we had in the team to the correct way. We never know. For now, it's like we don't know, but we will for sure do an investigation about it. And that's the thing. And it's going to be a very short vlog for today, but I want to keep it short and simple. But look at all the corners where you have all the wasted material, where you have all the wasted time. What resources do you actually have already that you can just use differently, that require no investment or a very small investment for your company and deliver this big returns? And that's something I'm getting right now obsessed with, and you should too, is there is an asymmetrical relationship sometimes between something you do and the profits it delivers. So you might invest 20 pounds or 20 euros, doesn't matter the currency, or $20, and you get like 1,000 back. And sometimes you invest 1,000 and you get 2,000 back. So which investment is better? It's obvious, but we always tend to focus on the big investments, the big leaps. But instead of that, and I got that reminder from our foreman the other day, he said, yeah, we're not gonna take a leap, but we're gonna start like doing things incrementally. And he's right. As a business owner, you are focused on leaping forward. You want to like jump right in front of the queue, get a new machine, cut like everything down by 60-70% runtime if you are in engineering, or if you are somewhere else you might get faster computers. Whatever your business is, it doesn't matter. But the small steps, they add up tremendously, and sometimes they deliver nearly the same results just by doing them diligently and doing all of them. It's like the discussion we had yesterday for different tooling, the difference between HNS and carbide, and the run times you are having is much different. So rather than buying a new machine, invest in some better tooling, invest in some better capabilities. And this is what we're right now getting really obsessed with, is like getting the best out of what we're currently having. And it's so often overlooked. And that's like a real honest vlog for today, but I hope that it like rattles on some of your cages as well, as like, where are you overlooking stuff? What are the small things you can be doing? Everybody's talking always about the low-hanging fruits, but very few of us are actually collecting them. Cheers guys, see you on the next episode.